Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Shade Boo. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for being interested in what I have going on here. So this video is, I'm going to be talking about skincare. And the first thing that I'm introducing to you is a skincare line by e.l.f. I already took everything out the bag. And it's the Holy Hydration Jet Set Hydration Kit by e.l.f. Skin. So that consists of the daily cleanser, moisturizer, the night cream, prep and hydrate face balm. I have some eye cream. This is basically a 5-step system. I'm a girly who normally just washes my face. I like to cleanse and I like to moisturize. Normally I use this to moisturize my face. This one is by CVS, but it is almost like it's adequate to the CeraVe. Is that how you pronounce it? I think that's how you pronounce it. The CeraVe. But yeah, top notch. This does it. This keeps my face very, very smooth and hydrated. No matter how old you are, you need to be taking care of your face. You have to take care of your skin. But I am aging. I am 37 and I'm trying to hold it together. So let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, let's get started. And put this hair up. Okay, ladies, so I'm just going in with a wet, warm, damp washcloth to loosen up whatever oil or dirt may be on my face, and starting with the Holy Hydration Daily Cleanser. This is actually the first step of 5. And so I'm just getting in there good and scrubbing. There's no right or wrong way to put this on your face. People will tell you, start here, start there, start at the top, mush it around, whichever way works for you. I actually like how it suds up and then it actually goes clear. But I also like the way that it's making my face feel. So now that that's done and dried off, we're going in with the Holy Hydration Night Cream, which is actually step 2 of 5. Now I'm doing the whole face 5-step thing, top, bottom, side to side, and the tip of your nose. Like I said before, there is no right or wrong way to do it. This is just how I am choosing to put this on. As long as you're getting it in there and it's on your face, have no problem. Now it is a wet feeling to it, so that's why I'm also fanning to make sure it's dry and stuck. Now we're going in with the Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer, which is step 3. Now I like the way that this really feels. It's soft. My face feels rejuvenated. It feels hydrated. It feels smooth. It's a creamy feeling, but it also dries up kind of flat, which I like that because I don't like my face feeling oily at all. Now we're going in with the Holy Hydration Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is actually step 4, and this almost comes like a face chapstick. That is the best way to describe it. It's not oily neither, but I do like the way that this is making my face feel. It feels fully hydrated. Now for step 5, which is the final step, the Holy Hydration Eye Cream. This goes under your beautiful eyes only. It goes nowhere else. And I was noticing there was a little drip at the top and like the cream was at the bottom, but I mixed that up, no worries. But yeah, so you see me just putting it over my eyelids, under my eyes, and this is probably, I believe, for dark circles if they happen to come. Sometimes we wake up with them, sometimes we get bags. But yes, so this was the final. Now let's talk about it. Now let's talk about it a little bit. So I just finished, right, doing the 5-step system. Overall, I like the way everything felt. The only thing I was like a little taken back by, which I saw my face, was the eye cream. It was like a little bit like liquid at the top and like the cream underneath, so I just like poured out the liquid that was at the top. It looked almost like you gotta mix it up a little bit. That's why I stuck my finger in it and was going like that. All of it feels good. My face feels like I just had a facial. That's the best way to put it. If you've never had a facial before, I don't know. But it feels like I washed my face and I reset my face. That's how it feels. My face feels clean. It feels tight. It feels together. It's very soft. It feels well moisturized. Everything dried up, but like, because it was feeling very, very moist. I don't like that extreme moist feeling after you wash your face and put your cream on. Like your face got that sticky feeling, but it feels very, very soft. Yeah, so would I commit to doing the complete 5-step? I'm not too sure. Maybe I would, because like I said, I am a cleanser and just moisturizer kind of girl. I'll do this for a little while. And remember, when you start these systems, you have to be consistent to be able to see results. So I'll probably do this since I started today. This is actually my first time using it with y'all. So since I started it today, I'll give myself 30 days and see how my face is, you know, how I'm feeling and stuff like that. And you just have to take care of your skin. You have to take care of your skin. We'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a sis to come over to the Sade Boo family and join in. Don't worry about it. When you come, you always leave with something, and that's the point. Love you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.